Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, the first thing that you need to know is Cash App is not an accepted payment method for depositing or withdrawing funds on PrizePicks. To deposit funds on PrizePicks, you can use a bank account, PayPal account, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. To request a withdrawal, navigate to the menu located in the top left corner of the screen of the PrizePicks app and then select Request Withdrawal. So what you need to do is open up your PrizePicks app and then simply tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, and you will be seeing the options, and among them you will be seeing the request withdrawal option. Simply tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions to successfully withdraw your amount that you have selected. However, new customers will often have at least first few withdrawals reviewed by a qualified specialist for security reasons. Many customers qualify for instant withdrawals as well. This review takes between 6 to 12 hours, most of the time toward the lower end of that range. Once your withdrawal is approved, you have two different choices to get your money, that is instant bank transfer and card withdrawals. So basically there is no available option to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.